I'm Matt Ruhlman. I'm the Applications Engineering Team.
I'm Anthony Byer, and I'm an Applications Engineer with OC Appliance.
I'm Scott Campen. I'm an Applications Engineer for Owens Corning Appliance.
I lead the Applications Engineering Team.
I work in designing solutions to fit within different appliances like dishwashers, kitchen top appliances like mixers, laundry, so washers. That's the main premise, or the main areas that I work in.
So my major customers are the cooking industry, so ovens, freestanding ranges, and cooktops. So I help those customers with thermal solutions for residential products.
On this team, we develop thermal solutions for ranges, acoustic solutions for dishwashers, washing machines, as well as FR solutions for various appliances.
So a lot of consumers don't realize that there's actually acoustic tests and test methods that have to be hit in order to, or used to have to be hit to be able to sell. And that standard has since kind of dwindled away, but it's still withheld by appliance manufacturers. And so with that, there's different acoustic ratings for appliances like dishwashers that signify how loud they are. If the number is higher, the acoustic number is higher on a dishwasher, it's louder. And if that number is lower, it is quieter. And so you'll see a price point difference from louder units to quieter units. And that's really indicative of a lot of the work that we've done over the years to work with those appliance manufacturers to create quieter solutions and overall quieter packages for them.
Yeah, there might be scenarios where competitive material is failing, and so they call on Owens Corning to step in and help identify fully what that problem is and identify a solution. So that is a possibility as well.
There's a lot of aspects of designing, designing and launching a new platform, right? It's kind of like a new model of a car, right? When they completely revamp the model, but insulation is a component of that, right? So if we, in those circumstances, when we're able to work with a customer very early on in the design of a new platform, we're able to, make suggestions and incorporate, insulation into the design, right? Opposed to making it an afterthought.
Yeah, so there's a lot of design constraints when you're thinking about an application for appliance. One of the critical pieces is usually appliances fit into a cavity or area of some sort. So if you think about a dishwasher, it fits underneath your countertop in between two cabinets typically. And so that is already a restricted space. So we know what that overall shape is, and it's really comes within those range to determine, okay, what's our thickness have to be, what type of material is best at capturing X acoustic frequency hertz or frequency band, and then driving an overall sound power level down based on, okay, weight, so how heavy the product can be, the thickness of the product, and then overall shape. Those are the three really critical constraints when designing applications.
Yeah, so as I've been in the industry for almost 17 years, we've definitely seen where appliance manufacturers want to bring more value to their customers by typically enlarging, say, the oven cavity. And so what that does is that in a fixed space, that means that we have less insulation to keep the heat in where it needs to be. So it's been a neat journey to see how we can bring new materials, new material sciences to help thin up the insulation so they can increase the volume of their cavities and serve their customers better that way.
We're pushing for developing new next generation acoustic products, both for better performance, but also for incorporating sustainability into our products. So utilizing recycled content more, considering end of life, things like that.
So sound and acoustics are very important in appliances. And as of recently, the design of homes has changed quite a bit to having more open floor plans. And so with more open floor plans, specifically on your first level where your kitchen or dinette is, that would be connected into a living space or even an office area or what have you, however your home is laid out. And so your dishwasher is one of the louder appliances in your home. And so that being in your kitchen, that noise is able to resonate more throughout that open floor plan, so it's louder. And then with the recent pandemic, people have been spending more time at home. And so spending more time at home and spending more time with family, they're able to recognize, okay, my dishwasher is louder. And then as far as laundry goes, laundry is starting to go on the second floor of the home. And that's where the living space is. So all the bedrooms are typically on the second floor if it's a two-story home. So with that, it's becoming more and more critical to come up with solutions for quieter washer and dryer, washer. Those solutions are next tier in the market, I think.
So that's something that we've certainly seen customers desire and even demand in certain arenas. So for our part in thermal insulation products, we're very much in the leading edge of being recyclable with our own products. So to be able to take any trim scrap from our fabrication plants and either turn that back into range insulation or forward that over to third parties that they can then use them in residential insulation, that's our goal, is to be very sustainable that way.
So sustainability is important because it allows for a better tomorrow and a better future for the next generation. And with sustainability, Owens Corning has a huge emphasis, and our group specifically has a huge emphasis on introducing new materials that improve our sustainability impact on the overall world.
It's very true. I'm proud to work for Owens Corning, proud to really have just a fingerprint across the major appliance industry, knowing that the work that I do goes into my customers' products, that goes into really probably every household in North America, and there's just a pride that goes along with that, that I'm backed up by quality people, plant people, technical people, that we bring all of what Owens Corning has to bear to bring products to customers, and that's a good feeling.